Package in the mail today. New product to try out. Well, 4 new products to try out. From Boat Trip. Well, if you want me to test out the product, I'll do it. It's going to be a real world test. We are at a junkyard about to clean up a little vessel that's been abandoned for quite a while. What do we have here? The deck cleaner. Advanced spot and stain remover for carpet or foam. Interesting. What else did they send? Some interior cleaner. Cleans all interior surfaces, seats, dashboard, vinyl, and plastic. Put that to the test. But wait, there's more. Boat Trip Restore. Revolutionary exterior and interior conditioner restore. And this is the one they said to use on the boat trailer, I believe. And then Boat Trip Exterior. Advanced boat cleaner, water spot remover, and high gloss sealant. Well, let's see what it can do.
Boat Drip Restore, revolutionary exterior and interior conditioner / restorer.
Alright, so this is the one supposedly you put it on the trailer and it makes the trailer look brand new. Like on this plastic part here. Let's see what happens. It says set for 1 minute, right?
Yeah. For best results, let sit for 1 minute, then wipe product off with a clean microfiber towel.
Alright.
Okay, so
50 seconds remaining. Has to be exactly a minute. Look at the magic happening there. I mean, to be fair, this is completely filthy and we did no pre-wash. Like, we're totally just sending it and seeing what it can do. For a wipe.
let's see.
You know? It's really not bad.
Pretty good, actually.
Huh. Alright. I mean, would highly recommend maybe pre-washing it,
Yeah.
even without. I mean, it brought some luster back to the old plastic, so cool. All right, next up, we're going to try Boat Drip's exterior advanced boat cleaner, water spot remover, gloss sealant, everything. Again, this thing is rough. We just pulled it out of a storage yard, and we don't expect it to do much, but we're just going to see.
There we go.
Does it say it has to sit or anything? Oh yeah, this one. Somebody said it smells like tangerine. I do kind of smell like tangerine.
No, it doesn't say to sit. Shake Boat Drip thoroughly, apply spray evenly on the surface, and then wipe.
Okay. Alright.
For best results, apply drip to wet surfaces or immediately after removing your boat from the water.
We'll do that next. Wow. No kidding.
That's actually pretty good.
It's getting the mold and mildew. It's been on there forever. You gotta be kidding me.
Wow. It's like green there and white here.
Huh. Impressive. Impressive, Boat Drip. pretty much just using the boat drip exterior with a power wash and just a very light scrub. We got this thing looking a lot better. This works so well. Let's grab the boat drip deck cleaner, which says it's for carpet foam spot stain. So let's see how this stuff works. And it worked. You're right, it is a noticeable square. So straight up on it. Let it set. Not that long. You'll see it start doing its thing. Did you have to scrub it very hard, or was it just like a moderate?
Yeah, moderate. But
just a microfiber, nothing crazy. Boom. No trickery. Impressive boat drip.